Hey yo, what's up guys? It's your boy back at it again with another vlog video. What is it you think we're doing today? Of course, not playing some music for you. But actually what's happening today is I am actually here with my friends. We're going to be building a computer. Since I cannot build it alone, I need some people to help me out. So let's go inside and just listen to some music before we go inside. Let's go. Hey.
Jolene. Oh, it's raining. Gotta get out of here.
Is this all for like the airflow? Okay, and here we go. Guys, I'm going to show you how to build a computer. About an $800 computer in about, or in under 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Cue in the action music.
Yeah, boy.
Done. Okay. That just looks like beauty, though. Oh, this is all I wanted.
Look at this! Look! My odds are ruined!
Bruh, like I want that in my vlog. I'm putting that in my vlog. What's that? Been talking to.
Not Spider-Man.
There we go.
Yeah. There you go.
Let's see if it works.
Hey yo, so what's up guys? Hope you enjoyed the video. Before I say any more, I'm just gonna put a disclaimer out there. Number one, I am not a PC pro or a PC genius or anything like that. I'm not good with the components. I'm not even good with the software. But the thing is, I wanted to build a new station that I could work on and possibly game on as well. So that's the whole reason we built this thing, and I've been using it for the past few weeks. Beautiful. it's like night and day from the machine I was using before. So I mean, that makes me more productive. Hopefully your boy will be raking in that bank. But yeah, I'm really grateful for my friends that helped me out, the bros. Much love. And look, I'm sure you guys could get cheaper parts for your machines, but I wanted to use one website and I just wanted to get everything from that online store. So yes, some of them might be a bit more pricey, but I will leave a description of all my parts and where I got them from, and you can check it out. I'm in South Africa, so I'm sure around the world you could get stuff much cheaper. But yeah, it's your boy, the Vlog Wolf, Nathaniel, signing out. Peace out, guys.